Ganun ba? Sorry.
Kulang pa yun. Saka yung cellphone mo, sirang-sira na.
You are younger than me. Come on.
And also your camera is open.
Ito ba yung pinagalitan ni Ma'am online class?
Learning should be accessible for everyone. But what if strange phenomenon happens?
Walang harapang klase,
Now that all
modular
classes
ang mga
have moved
leksyon o di kaya
online.
sa radyo at telebisyon ang turuan.
Ma'am, magsisimula na po yung online class namin. Mahingi sana ako ng pangkul.
Hala na, ulit tayo ngayon.
Sige lang ma'am. Kukuha na ako. Nagita ko sa pagtitinda.
O anak, kulang pa yun. Saka yung cellphone mo, sirang-sira na. Hayaan mo at magdodoble na lang ako sa paglalaba para pambili mo ng laptop. Pag si Inday, baka magpautang yun. Mahal ba yan?
Okay lang ma'am, medyo mahal yun. Hanapan lang natin ang paraan. Pero tutulungan din kayo.
Online learning has its challenges. Limited resources, unreliable internet, and lack of technical knowledge can make it tough.
Ano ba ito gawin? Hindi ko alam. Paano ba ito gamitin? Pakamute kaya ako?
No! Ito na lang ako.
Mamaya naman, nag-online class pa ako. Ano ba ito? Bro, I think your mic is open.
And also your camera is open.
Ha? Ganun ba? Sorry guys.
Class! Be mindful naman sa mga gadgets nyo. You are younger than me. Come on.
Hello ma'am, sorry ma'am. Hindi kasi ako marunong gumamit ito.
Okay, let's proceed. Now, for last week's lesson, I would like you to create a collage, reflection collage, about how you understand that lesson, the lesson 14. And after, you will be passing it to Google Classroom. I will be creating a link where you will pass the designated assignment that I given to you. That's clear?
The feeling of isolation can be overwhelming, but there are benefits too. It allows students to learn at their own pace, but some teachers may lack consideration for these challenges.
Class! I have noticed one of you failed to comply my given task. Why? Online class na nga lang, hindi niyo pa magawa. Di ba kayo marunong? My God, you're so disappointing.
Why do you build me up? But come, baby, just to let me down.
Pre, ito ba yung pinagalitan ni Ma'am online class? Sige lang yan.
Okay? Today lang.
Okay, last weekly, we talked about okay, very good. So, what planet is what we call the red planet? Okay, Mars. Okay, very good. Can you recall what are the 8 planets? You want?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, let's give more. Round of applause. It looks like you learned about that lesson. That last week lesson, I guess, right? Okay. So now we are going to have a quiz
about that lesson. Okay, get
Face-to-face learning brings a different experience. Mark can engage in interactive discussions and build connections with others.
Okay, that's it for today, and I will taking your quiz. Now we're learning it tomorrow. Say goodbye, class. Goodbye. Thank you. Okay, here's your paper, class.
Wait. Oh, ganun, pasado mo sa... Nag-inayos natin.
Ilan kayo?
Dalawa. Pasado ka may ikaw? Ilan ka?
Ako yung ay.
Wow, congrats sa'yo. Sa'yo?
Time lang, pre. Hindi lang. Pero at least, hindi ko naman na kinopya.
Tama mga brother. Tama ka dyan, pre. Galingan pa natin ang
He gains practical knowledge, feels less isolated, and even finds time for side hustles within the school.
Bail me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I'll be over in 10